Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best antenna for trucks, the cart truck antenna with tire valve caps featuring an American flag design. If you're looking to enhance your vehicle's signal reception while adding a touch of patriotism, stay tuned, because this antenna might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's take a closer look at what makes this antenna stand out. Designed specifically for a wide range of popular truck models, including the GMC Sierra, Chevy Silverado, Dodge Ram, and various Ford F-Series models, this antenna provides a universal fit. It measures 5.5 inches, making it short yet effective, and it's made from premium materials that promise durability and style. The antenna is crafted from solid billet aluminum and premium copper hardware, ensuring it not only looks good but also stands the test of time. You won't have to worry about it fading or scratching, even with regular use and exposure to the elements. What really sets this antenna apart is its performance. Through extensive research and design, the creators have developed an antenna that provides exceptional AM and FM reception. It minimizes static noise and enhances your listening experience, making it ideal for both music and talk radio enthusiasts. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, this antenna ensures you won't miss a beat from your favorite stations. Additionally, it's optimized for XM, Bluetooth, and satellite radio, so you can enjoy seamless connectivity no matter what kind of radio service you prefer. The innovative design also allows for easy passage through low spaces, making it practical for those who navigate tight parking structures or garages. Now, let's talk about installation. One of the best features of this antenna is its simple screw-in design. You can have it set up in just minutes. Start by untwisting your old antenna and selecting the appropriate screw adapter from the variety included. After that, simply twist the new antenna onto the mount, and you're good to go. No complicated tools are required, making this a straightforward upgrade for anyone, regardless of mechanical skill. Included with the antenna are tire valve caps adorned with the American flag, further enhancing your vehicle's look and showcasing your patriotic spirit. These thoughtful accessories make a great addition to the antenna and can serve as a conversation starter among fellow truck enthusiasts. In terms of compatibility, this antenna is designed to fit a multitude of models. It's compatible with Chevrolet models ranging from 2000 to 2022, including the Colorado, Tahoe, and Suburban, as well as various GMC models and a long list of Ford trucks from 1990 to 2020. This extensive compatibility makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their truck's antenna without worrying about fit. In conclusion, the cart truck antenna with tire valve caps featuring an American flag design is not just a stylish addition to your vehicle, it's also a practical one. With its excellent signal reception, easy installation, and durable build, it checks all the boxes for truck owners seeking quality and aesthetics. If you're ready to enhance your driving experience with improved radio reception and a touch of flair, this antenna might just be what you need. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. We'll see you in the next video.